Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2014 Mazda CX-9 Luxury. Stock reference number 4365. This shape runs from the 12th month 2007 through to the 12th month 2015. It has a 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. 3.7 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the rear end. Got the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, non-heated type, left rear door appears to have no damage, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, we have the rear spoiler, right hand tailgate garnish, right front door appears to have one small dent, right power door mirror, non-heated type, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 20-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It has the split console type in black leather, automatic type, dual zone heater controls, factory sat nav, tom-tom unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp with sunroof and sunglass holder, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel in black with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.